In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble an Eden 8 Series rear. With your Eden Glasshouse delivery, you'll receive a wooden glass crate and a pallet with 3 cardboard boxes. One for the rear, one for the front, and one for the midsection. These are all labelled externally. First step, you'll need to pry open your wooden glass box with either a crowbar or a hammer and pull out your Eden Glasshouse instructions. Now, I know it's tempting to open all the boxes as they arrive because it's very exciting, but we recommend working with one box at a time so there's no confusion and the right parts stay with the right section. Now I'm going to show you all the tools you'll need to build the framework for your glasshouse. One 10mm spanner. I'm also going to be using a 10mm socket. You'll notice that all of the parts are labelled and colour-coded. Green is for the left-hand side and yellow for the right. Next step, we're going to lay out all the parts. Now we have our parts laid out. We have our top triangle, centre bar, left and right hand miters, our left hand slope, vertical and gusset, right hand slope, vertical and gusset, and our rear sill attached with our Eden base. There's 2 options when it comes to the base of your glasshouse. We can provide you with an aluminium version as we are assembling today. Otherwise, you're welcome to build your own timber base. In the box, you will find all the bolts and nuts you need for this assembly. It's important to note the pre-loading diagram before you start bolting things together. You'll need preloaded bolts for your top triangle and your rear brace. First, we're bolting the 2 slopes to the triangle. Make sure the slope sits on top of the triangle. Drop the bolt in the hole from the top and secure it with the nut from behind. Next, we're going to attach the slopes and the verticals via the gusset. So moving on, our next step, we're going to attach our vertical on top of our sill. Next, we have our centre bar. Ensure that the mitered end is at the top. Now, we're going to line our bolts up with the holes. Next step, we're going to flip our glass house over. Today, Alan's going to give me a hand so we don't damage our paintwork on the hard surface. Let's lay down our bracing for the back. You have a cross brace and 2 side braces. Now that we have our rear cross brace in place, we need to line it up with our preloaded bolts from earlier and drop it into place. Now that our rear's together, you may be tempted to use your tool to go and tighten up the bolts. Just keep them finger tight, so it leaves a bit of wriggle room when we get to the glazing stage. You might be wondering why you have these parts left over. This is our louver kit and it will be installed at the glazing stage, which I'll show you in another video. See you there.